Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 3 anger management tips and techniques that will help you calm down. These are actually very simple tips, very easy tips, and I would recommend using them in conjunction with each other. If you can use all 3 of these together, you're going to be in the best position to calm yourself down, calm your anger, and just be able to use them to, control your anger. Now let's get right to it. The first anger management tip and technique is time, okay? If you get angry, what you need to do is remove yourself from the situation that's making you angry, or separate yourself from the person that's making you angry, and give yourself some time to recoup and recover. Now what you want to do is, let's say you're driving and you're getting angry while driving, okay? Pull over into a parking lot, get out of the car, and give yourself some time to just recoup and recover, okay? What you need to do is just give yourself time. Time will literally work wonders with calming you down and controlling your anger. If you are encountering someone that's making you angry, walk away for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, 3 hours, whatever it takes, okay? You need to give yourself time. Believe it or not, time is one of the best healers for anger. It's as simple as that, okay? Time. Number 2 is exercise. Now, does exercising mean you have to go to the gym, work out, curl 40-pound dumbbells? No, it does not mean that. You can go for a walk. You can go for a power walk. You can do some push-ups. You can do some jumping jacks, okay? You can do some crunches. You need to exercise. What exercising does is that, number 1, it releases that anger. It gives you an outlet. You need an outlet when you're angry. You need to let it out in one way or another. So it gives you an outlet for actually releasing the anger. And it also releases a whole bunch of good stuff in your body. I don't want to go into the science of it in this video, but it releases a ton of good stuff in your body that actually does a good job at pumping you up for the workout, but calming you down in life. So you get sort of a double whammy. It pumps you up for the workout, but it actually calms you down after the workout, for the rest of the day. The third technique and tip that's going to help you is breathing. I know that you've probably heard this like 100 times, but just taking deep, long breaths will help you to calm down and control your anger, okay? Just literally. Just do that as many times as you need to do it. Some people will be okay after 3 deep, long breaths. Other people need 10 deep, long breaths. It's completely up to you, but the point is, you need to take these deep, long breaths. Once again, that's going to calm you down. It's going to take you and calm you down. You'll notice that, like, as soon as I breathe, already, I'm much calmer. Like, I got myself very pumped up for this video, but immediately after breathing just once like that, I become much calmer. It actually works wonders. Now, like I said, the best thing that you can do is use all 3 of these in conjunction with each other. You want to use time, you want to use exercise, and you want to also use breathing techniques, okay? Time, exercise, breathing. If you can use those 3 together, TEB for short form, time, exercise, breathing, just remember that sort of acronym, that mnemonic device, and it's going to allow you to control your anger and calm yourself down. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your anger management techniques are in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.